Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to cut men kaftan fitted one. This is the style. Let me show you guys. I fold into two. I will fold again to give me into four. Full length is 34 inches. This is 34 inches. I will use the remaining 2 inches to hem on the down part. Shoulder is 18 inches, divided by 2 is 9 inches, which is here. I will add ½ inch to sew. Placing my tape on the shoulder, I measure down 10 inches. I will mark just this way. I'm going to cut here. Chest is 48 inches, divided by 4 is 12 inches, which is here. I will use the remaining 1½ inch to sew all the way down. But if you want to put a slit on the side, you can do that by measuring from here up 4 inches or 5 inches, depending on how long the kaftan is. But I'm not going to sew slit on the side, on the two sides. Then I'm going to measure neckline 3 inches. I will open and fold into two this way. I'm going to cut the front neckline now. Placing my tape on the shoulder, I will measure down 4½ inches. I mark a U shape. I'm going to cut. I will measure here, from here, 7 inches and cut this place just like that. So I'm going to use the same material to turn the neckline. So let me cut flap, the one to sew here. I'm going to cut that one, then I will continue with the sewing. Remember, I'm going to sew this on the front all the way down on the sleeve. So I'm going to cut the sleeve. I fold into two. I'll fold again. This into 4. Sleeve measurement is 23 inches. This 23 inches. Round sleeve is 11 inches, divided by 2 is 5½ inches, plus 1 inch to sew. I'm going to use this one to hem. I will sew here and bring this way and sew this lace here. Remember, I'm going to sew the lace here on the center, and the lace will also pass here. After joining together this way, I will sew, then bring it to the front and sew this in between. I will sew this one here, so the lace will not come out this way like that. So I'm going to cut the flap. Let me start to sew now. I'll cut the one to sew here. I'm going to use bias. I have a video on how to cut and sew bias. I will upload it as soon as possible. So I'm done sewing the black trim on the sleeve. I fold into two. I measure round sleeve 5.5 inches and sew. I will measure 5.5 inches and I will go and sew. So this is the bias. Like I said, I have the video. I will upload it very soon for you to see how to cut and sew perfect bias. So I iron. So please pay attention to this part. This is how I'm going to sew on it, this way, just this way. And this is the flap. I measure 3 inches by 11 inches. I will sew on top, then it will fall on top the bias. So I'm done sewing the bias, just like I explained, and I will trim as I notch. So after ironing, I'm going to place on my machine and stitch down to 7 inches, and after that I will sew the flap on it. I'm done stitching down, so the next one is the flap. I will first sew here, then bring the right side out and place this way and sew one side of it to 7 inches. I sew here all the way to 7 inches. Remember, I cut 7 inches. So good, it's going to come this way, and I will sew press button here and here. So what I'm going to do now is to stitch. I'm going to stitch here to here, then can make a design here like a triangle shape, or you can just make like this and sew up like that. After doing that, what I'm going to do before I sew from here to here, I will sew just here to this place, then I will sew this black one here. I'll sew all the way to the down part. After sewing, before I will stitch from here up to here. I will sew here now to this place. Then I will fold this one inside, then sew this one here. After I finish sewing this long one, before I will sew up to here and leave this space for press button. I'm done joining the sleeve, and I sew press button with thread and needle. I sew with thread and needle. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question concerning this video, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much once again for watching. I will see you all in my next video.